Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Gancio knot. That's the Italian word for hook. So let's get started. One tie. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. You guys know the drill by now. Same drill. We're going to come in and put in our dimple. Going to bring that over to the center. We're going to come up and through like this, down and around. We're going to create that delta right there. Come across. Do this right here. I'm going to come down here, kind of starting like a trinity. Or a mural knot, but what we're going to do is we're going to fold it like this, like that, and then we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to push this up through here like this. I want this to still be visible. Bring it down like this. Across like that, it's still folded in half. It'll be folded in half the whole way. Bring this across like this. Fold it up through here like this. Okay, so here's your hook up top. But it's going to kind of be at a slant. So you have this down here. You have this folded in half over here. You have your hook up here, but it's at a slant. I'm going to tuck this through here like so. Put my collar down, see what we got. Put the buttons down here. Again, see the picture at Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. So you can see that. So we'll just kind of open it up here a bit. You want this down here to be open. This up here to kind of be showing a form of a hook. And then you have this right here. There you have it. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.